Good day. My name is Lando Shea, and today, January 24, 2019, I would like to inform you about my past experiences this past summer. I am currently enrolled in a bachelor's degree program in construction engineering management. This company that I work for about a month, from June 11 to July 13th, is located in my home country, the Bahamas, and is named Bahamas Power and Light. This company is the main source of electrical power for the island of New Providence and the Bahamas as a whole. This company has two sites, with the main one being located at Clifton Pier, where I worked. The project given to me by the mechanical engineering department was to generally make various repairs to the power plant that would include different jobs in different areas of the power plant. This department had about 12 members that all specialized in different areas in that department. They started me off small by instructing me to make and repair paper gaskets, which can be considered the concept phase. This took me about a day or two and didn't present much of a challenge. The next step in the project was to repair water cooling panels. These devices help to keep the power plant's engines from overheating and therefore causing damage or malfunctioning. This work was very tedious and repetitive, as I had to ensure there was no damage to the panel itself, then refasten any rubber insulator back onto the panel to ensure a tight lock seal when they're put back into use. There were about 200 water cooling panels, and for this, I feel like this task was my biggest triumph because it took us about 2 weeks to complete. Me and my two coworkers gave a huge sigh of relief when we were done. Furthermore, the main part of the project was to repair a main separator in the engine room. This task was taken on by two main engineers, and I was brought along to help. This task also took about 2 weeks to complete. This task was the one I had the least knowledge about and was keen on learning about. This was my biggest challenge because I didn't necessarily have the knowledge to help technically. I used my previous knowledge about repairing and working on transformers to help with this task. However, I really wished I attained more knowledge on the equipment so I could be better readily equipped for this task. But I am very glad for the amount of knowledge that I gained from working with these guys. The project finally came into reality when all the aspects of the power plant were completed in relation to repairs. Even though I learned so much about new equipment, techniques, and gained new knowledge, I felt as though the biggest lesson I learned was about teamwork. Teamwork is a major and essential part of the engineering sector, especially construction. The biggest lesson I learned is that without a team working together in harmony, many tasks and projects would be 10 times harder to complete, because together, everyone achieves more. I love that each day, a different coworker would take me under their wing metaphorically and teach me something new. There was one time that two engineers that worked in the engine room took me for a tour. They showed me various things like the water cooling panels that I talked about earlier, the gaskets, gas gauges, and many more things. With the enjoyable experiences also comes the unenjoyable experiences. One of these was when I was instructed to fully clean an old dirty pipe filter that took me a few long days to finish. Even though I hated it so much, it taught me that nothing good comes without hard work. And because of this, I was ecstatic when I saw that it was new, looked new and shiny when I was finished. And I was very proud to say that I was the one that cleaned it. In conclusion, I am very grateful for the experience that I had at Bahamas Power and Light. It was very educational and exciting. I hope to work on more projects in the future and expand on my knowledge base. Thank you.